No, Lucy, you walked away. Come back. Talk to Mommy some more.
No, I don't want to even hear her voice.
Hey, Lucy.
You want some? You greedy behind. Nobody's talking to you.
Oh, now you're touching my leg. What's your problem? Yeah, you know I'm taking a video of you.
Oh, she's smiling.
She likes being showed off.
Mm-hmm. No, it's not anything.
She's a Leo. She's just trying to lie.
What sign are you? She just wants the camera. Oh, God.
She's walking around. She likes me following her.
Yeah. You are a glutton.
Lucy, I'm not following you over there. So, sorry. Oh, you winking. Oh, look at that. Lucy, you have the love eyes. You have the love eyes. Ooh. Lucy. Showing love to all my friends that I'll show this to later. Maybe. Are you? Do you have love for them? Do you have love for all my guy friends? You're just trying to... Lucy. Do you have a love for all my guy friends? You trying to flirt with them? Trying to flirt with them? Oh, yeah, you are trying to flirt with them. Oh, now she's purring. Bye, Lucy.